Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. In this video, we will talk about how to check TCS exam date for 2023 student. Okay, now, so friends, before we start that, I wanted to tell you. So this time, I mean after COVID, there was two options. One was in center mode, and one was remote. Okay, that means in center means you have to go to the TCS ION center and then you have to attempt the examination. And remote means you have to sit at home and then you have to write the exam. Now, so in center mode student has started getting the exam date. Okay, so in center students are started getting the exam date, and you can see in the comments as well, sir, my TCS exam is on 19th of August in center. Okay, so in center mode a student has started getting the exam date. If we'll talk about the remote mode, then TCS has still not started sending the examination date for remote one. Okay, so it's very clear. And how you have to check, I mean, see, you would have got a email for your exam date, and also you can check it in the next step portal, which is here. Okay, so next step portal, you have to log in, and there you will be able to download the hall ticket. Okay, so the hall ticket will be required, because when you will go and write the examination, then they will ask you for the hall ticket, so hall ticket is required. Okay, so these things is clear, so you will be able to get that examination hall ticket from the next step portal itself, and you will be able to check in your email also. In your email also you would have got. Okay, now next, so IRC is mandatory or not? So friends, IRC is not mandatory. If you miss infrastructure readiness check, then no problem, you will be able to write the actual test, so you do not have to worry about that. And without giving IRC also, you can give the examination. So this should be very clear to you. And friends, free mock test, so NQT, TCS NQT free mock test, I have uploaded a video some time ago. So if you are going to write the examination, you can prepare from that. And next part is very important. So friends, we have launched a crash course on TCS NQT 2023 new pattern. Okay, and the price also we have reduced, so don't see this side price because some coupon is applied. So here the price is just 399 rupees. So 399 rupees, friends, even if you'll go for a movie, it will cost you more than that. So just 399 rupees, and this crash course will give you aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, coding, and free mock test. So you will be getting 33 free mock test series. Okay, you can see the content here. So you have aptitude basic videos is there, aptitude next level problem is there, difficult problems, reasoning videos are there, verbal ability, and this TCS mock test. So 33 mock test video. And friends, we provide mock test with solution, video solution. So we will be providing mock test with the video solution. So this will be a definitely life changing opportunity. This 350 rupees, I mean, not 350, basically 399. So this 399 rupees courses will help you to get a package of 3.36 LPA. Okay, so even we have programming, coding questions are there. TCS NQT 2021, 2020 asked questions are there. So this will build your confidence. So if you want to go for the TCS exam, then this crash course will be helping you a lot. The link is given in description, and this the crash course will be available only till tonight 12 p.m. So get it as soon as possible. The link has been given in description. Thank you. And if any update, if any doubt, definitely we are discussing with you all the time. So once again, thank you. And get through the TCS NQT mock test, which we are also uploading it on our channel. And the crash course is very important if you are serious about writing TCS NQT exam. Thank you.